Odogunwoke.
Afomurunwuyem.
Ogonwoke.
The mother of my unborn mothers.
My in-law.
Afomurunwuye Odogu, a princess and more. My mother gave me this word, but you gave me my word. You did not hear me. I said, Mam Yeremowa, and Yeremowam. Hell, Wam na Jim. But I'm not happy with you. Information rumor is that you're still doing farm work. You can go on Igbo.
It's because of my leg now. I need to be going out and stretch my leg. It's part of exercise, Ogo.
If you want to stretch your legs, I will go and register you in the gym. I'm taking a gym, give me more exercise. So many people are looking up to me. Not when they see you now doing farm work now. All this like my money is not getting to you. It's not making sense. I'm a very popular person. People know me. People are looking up to me. Not when they see you now in that bush. I think I abandoned you here. It doesn't make sense. Please, for the sake of this beautiful angel, let's equal high on the mud.
Adam, why? Mama, Princess, what is this thing that you're wearing that is showing all your body outside?
My wife, please. Here. This is my wife. I paid for her diary. Let him get him so good. I love what she's wearing now. Come now, my properties. These are the things I paid for now. She's not intact. Bride price. Come and sit down. Ask after you, please. My maternal home. I was in a hurry to come and see you, but I will give it to you in liquid. Come here and raw cash. Yes, sir. Oh,
hey, Ogo. God, you want too much, you know. Thank you very much, Ogo.
You don't have to thank me now. You have worked for it by producing and training this beautiful angel. In a society where we have so many hooks, your daughter decided not to be one. It's a ceremonial something, not here, man. It's easy. I have told you that your daughter's bride price can take a DSTV subscription. Every month, in a new year. Yes, sir.
Just give me 1 minute. And I'm happy. Baby, let me join my mother. I'm coming.
Oh, yeah, now. Hey, Mama. My mom be there because you're good. Very sweet something. Pause. Oh, one you know Tazio. Oh, very intentional mother-in-law. The man about you, so Ibe. Choose cannot relate. What you know about Igbo hooks? Can buy a video call here him. Nothing is more than family. It's not by carrying hooks. Someone for the data hooks to get here. The man boy I call who do you know Tazio? Yes, now. Choose let man